Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals. If this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Alright guys, we're going to get right to it. We're going to do ephemera and we're going to do corner tucks. We have a little bit of acrylic paint. It's this one and it's cream. This is the one we're using. I was playing around with this, and first things first, I started with first things first are the shout outs. Yes, indeed. I'm shouting out to Ellie, I'm shouting out to Anita, and I'm shouting out to Mackenzie. Woohoo! Hey guys, thanks for joining me and making comments. I so appreciate each and every one of you. So we're going to do a file folder. That's what we are using for our tucks. I like tucks that are firm. Flimsy paper just does not work for me personally. I don't know if I'm just rough with stuff. I don't think I am, but I just like it to be firm. So a file folder is really nice. And so what I did was I took a piece of file folder and I cut it 4 by 4, and then I cut it straight in half, just like that. So we'll have our corner tucks. Then what I did was I took a piece of the coffee dyed book page. It's an old book page, and I just coffee dyed it when I was doing my papers. So let's go ahead and ink, there we go again, and glue up one side of this triangle and put it on here. I'm just putting it on where the words are, the text. I really don't want the plain. After the words. So get this going here. I hope everyone's having a lovely day today. It's really nice today. The sun is just now really popping out. It's kind of cloudy. We do have dark clouds, but the sun is peeping through. I think it's going to be a lovely day today. I'm going to have to run out and actually have to go to Joann's today. I have to get some burlap so that I can add some more of my dried flower bouquets into my little shop booth that I have at a local store here in town. I need to add some, and I need the burlap to make my bouquets. So what we're doing now is we're just cutting the glued on book page so that it will be exactly the shape of our tuck. So voila. Gorgeous, right? Right. Okay, one more. Okay. Get this cut out. Just like that. So I thought I'd do my video earlier in the day today. We're going to save this nice big piece right there. Earlier in the day so that I don't have to hurry and rush. And last video, I had to hurry before my husband came home so I could get him dinner and everything. Alrighty. I'm having trouble. There we go. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to take our fussy cut flowers, just like this, and we're going to go ahead and glue them right on to our, which way do I want this one to be? This one's going to go this way. Which way do I want it to be? A top tuck? I have a top one, then I want this to go this way. You have to think about how you're going to put this on your paper. Are you going to have it to be a top tuck and you're going to put things in this way? Or are you going to have a bottom tuck that you put in this way? That's really important. that you think about that, so that, see, I don't want this flower to be upside down. That won't work for me. So I'm going to put my flower this way. Oh, the sun is coming in and there's glare. Let me quickly shut the blinds. Just 1 second. All right, that helped a great deal. There's still a little glare right there, but I don't think that's going to bother us. I have a brand new glue book. Cut the guts out of this book. Look, I paid $3 for this little beauty. Okay, so we're going to glue down our fussy cuts onto what we just, our corner tuck, what we just covered in our book page. Oh, there's that old bird. My bird is a parakeet, and I wanted to call her Lou, and my husband wanted to call her Ricky, so her name is Ricky Lou. That's her name, Ricky Lou. All right, so that's this right there. Now this one, let's get the glue book up here so you can see what we're doing. Okay, move the glue book out of the way. This is our top tuck. Oh, it's really stuck on my hand. And so we're going to get that right up in there. So it's going to be the right way for me, because that's just, can't have flowers upside down. It just bugs the bejeebers out of me. Kind of like wearing a corsage with the stems pointing up. No. Who wears a corsage anymore? I don't know. I don't think anybody does. Maybe. I guess maybe. Maybe they do. They go to prom. I don't even know if they wear corsages anymore. I have no idea. All right. So there we are. There's our top tuck. Here's our bottom tuck. So the next thing that I would like to do is I would like to get this acrylic that I showed you earlier. And I already have some out here. I just put a little piece of saran wrap over the top because I made 2 of them, same flowers. Well, this one is the same flower, different position of the flower. And we're actually going to just put this right on top, just like this. It's kind of like gesso, because gesso is paint, I do believe. Paint and glue, I think. But anyway, it's going to soften it a great deal and make it look very beautiful. Yes, very beautiful. I really, really like this. So we're just taking the acrylic paint, which this is colored cream, and we're just putting it right on, just like that. What do you guys think? So here's one with, and here's one without. See what it did? Oh, it made it quite beautiful. Yes, it did. All right, let's go ahead and let's do this one. I think I have just enough paint that I can do both of them. If not, we have more paint in the tube. We can squeeze some more out. Oh, actually, I have some on the saran wrap. Let's get it off the saran wrap. Ah, okay. Yeah, there we go, guys. This is so beautiful. Oh, can't even see what I'm doing, can you guys? Okay. Get off the saran wrap, get it on to here. There we go. So beautiful. What happened to my trash can? Oh, it's way over there. So this is our top tuck. This is our bottom tuck. Oh my, that's so pretty. I'm going to wipe this off just a second. Okay, excuse me, here we are back. These are still damp, so what I did earlier was I went ahead and I did 2 more. Like I was saying, this is the same flower, it's just this is the open flower and this is the bud, but it's the same color, so we get the same idea. So this one, I took my ink and I have the Tim Holtz Gather Twigs, and I just lightly just went like this on top. So this one, the white is inked. This one, the white is not inked. It's still very, very pretty. I like them both. So let's go ahead and ink the edges. So guys, I had to I had to cough. I don't know, my voice is going froggy on me. Okay. Let's ink this up quickly. Excuse me. All right. Oh, that's better. That sounds better. Okay. So now we've got that done. So this is corners on this side, this corner, this side. Okay, so then I thought I'd like to try a stamp over the top of it. I don't know how it's going to look, but I really think maybe I would like to try. So nothing ventured, nothing gained. So we're going to give it a try. I don't think I'll do the whole thing. I think I'll just do part of it. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. Well, I missed that totally. That's funny. I missed that totally. Oh, there. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Very nice. Let's do this side right over here. I think I might need a little bit more ink. Let's try not to miss the, let's try not to miss it. Let's see here. How about this way? This stamp, I absolutely love this stamp. This one didn't get very... There, that's better. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Oh, my. That is very, very pretty. This is the stamp I'm using. Let's see where I hold it without getting all inky. There we go. I love this stamp. Love it, love it, love it. It's one of my very favorites. All right, I had to quickly wipe that off. Let's go ahead and just gently, since we're going to probably use this in a spread, I was thinking we could use this in our spread for doing our journal page this week. Okay, so let's go ahead and put a little bit of this stamp on here. Don't miss the stamp this time, Cathy. Get on the stamp. There. Okay. A little bit more ink. Whoa! That is really pretty. I do like the stamp a great deal. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Boy, that took a while to get this ink to dry. I had to use my heat tool on it. So I wanted to show you the difference between stamping and inking the fussy cut and then inking around the edge. That is a great difference. Huge, huge difference. And I really like this one so much better. It just has so much more depth to it. All right, so now we're going to decorate these. We're not finished in decorating. We have some buttons. We have some lace. Alrighty, this one's going up like this. Okay, so let's put a little bit of this lace. What I did with this lace is like this, and it came in white, And when I was coffee dyeing my papers, I got my lace and I put it in the coffee dye for a little while. I just scrunched it out like this, and then I just hung it up basically like on a line, but in my craft room, just hung it up to air dry, and this is how it came out. And so these big pieces I really like to get. I think you get more bang for your money because, let's face it, lace is expensive. So I just cut the edge off, and I do save this edge because you can use this. This is really cool stuff. So save that. And then this piece right here is the edge. Let me lay this out so you can see that. It's the edge right there. See the edge? So I just, let's see, I cut it about right here. I just cut it in half. That way I just have more lace that I can use on other projects, and it goes further for me. Plus I didn't want that big old piece of lace on there. So this has the scalloped edges on this side, and this is the side that I cut. So I'm going to flip it over like this, and I'm going to have the scalloped edge on this side here. Yes, just like that. So we're going to go ahead and get our fabric glue, and we're going to lay some glue down, and we're going to attach our lace to it. I'm loving how this turned out. I am definitely a shabby chic fan. I love shabby chic. And this to me is very shabby chic, very Victorian looking, which to me is shabby chic. Okay, I just want to cut that and let that dry. Set that over to the edge, let that dry. Go ahead and put some glue down on this one. Now you could, if you wanted, you could sew the edges of this. I didn't this time. I know not everyone has a sewing machine, and I wanted to show everyone what it looked like without. You can always take a pin, a felt pin, a paint pen, and you can do faux stitching, which is really adorable if you don't have a sewing machine. So there are ways around it. There we go. I just bought an inexpensive, I'm going to wait till that dries, inexpensive sewing machine. I actually think I bought it at Joann's, and I used my coupon. And so it wasn't really that expensive with my coupon and everything. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so beautiful. That's our top tuck like that. It goes just like that on our page. So let's go ahead and do we want something else? I'm kind of thinking maybe we want a little something right here, but I could be wrong because we stamped it. We stamped it, and that is truly beautiful. What else could we do? Anything at all? I don't know. I think this is quite lovely, just like the way we have it. Do you guys think we need something more? I'm really not feeling something more. I think these are beautiful. Oh, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. I am going to do a giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers, and anyone who has subscribed already will be entered in the drawing. So help me get to 500 subscribers, and we'll have a wonderful giveaway. Okay, see you in my next video, everyone. Bye now.